everyone, Tesla Model 3 comes with two manuals, Roadside Assistance and Safety Information. In this video, I'm going to cover 4 interesting facts which I didn't know before reading Roadside Assistance. Number 1, Roadside Assistance is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can easily access it from here. On the screen, there is a Tesla icon. Tap on here and then tap on the phone number, and you get connected directly to a live agent.
Thank you for calling Tesla. For flat tires, lockouts, and non-drivable...
Just keep in mind that this feature is available and is free during your warranty period. Number 2, if you need to access your 12-volt battery, it's located inside the car. So just open it, and then we have a plastic cover here. We need to remove it. Slowly pull it out. And then there is another plastic here, which you need to remove it. And then here is the 12-volt battery. Here is the positive terminal, and here is the negative terminal. Number 3 and number 4. In case if you need to tow your car, please make sure that all the 4 tires are off the ground. Because if you don't do that, then your rear motor is going to get damaged. Also, you need to have access to the tow eye, which is located behind this carpet. And this one goes here after you remove this plastic cover.